Welcome dear students. Now I am going to discuss your second chapter, and that is modals or modal auxiliary verb. But before that I want to elaborately discuss about verb. We all know the definition of verb. What is a verb? A verb is a word or a verb is a part of speech that indicates being, having or doing something. Not only doing something, being, having or doing something. And according to the function in a sentence, verbs can be classified into two categories. One is principal verb or main verb or independent verb. Another is auxiliary verb or helping verb or operator. What is principal verb? Principal verb or main verb is a verb that is used independently in a sentence and that do not take any help from other verbs and that does not discard their own meaning. That means principal verbs are those verbs which do not discard their own meaning, which keep their own meaning, and also which do not take help from other verbs, and also principal verbs are those verbs which are used independently. And now auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. What is auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verb or helping verbs are those verbs which help the principal verb to form tense, voice or mood. Auxiliary verbs are those verbs which help the main verb or the principal verb to form tense, voice or mood. And auxiliary verbs can also be subclassified into two categories. One is primary auxiliary and another is modal auxiliary verb. Now, what is primary auxiliary verb? Primary auxiliary verbs are those auxiliary verbs, are those helping verbs which help the main verb to form tense, to form voice or to form interrogative, to form negative or to form negative interrogative or to give stress or emphasis in a sentence. And also primary auxiliary verbs are used to form nominative absolute structure. And what are modal auxiliary verbs? Modal auxiliary verbs are those verbs which express the mode or manner in which an action is done. Modal auxiliary verbs are those verbs which help or which help to express or which indicates the mode or manner in which an action is done. And in the group primary auxiliary verbs, there is only three verbs: be verb, have verb and do verb. Be verb with all forms, that means am, is, are, was, were. Have verb with all forms, have, has, had. Do verb with all forms, that means which can be used as auxiliary like do, does, did. And in modal auxiliary section there are verbs like this: can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, used to, ought to. Now I am giving you some examples. C is writing a letter. Here look, write, this verb do not this verb does not discard its own meaning. This verb maintain or keep up its own meaning. And besides this verb is not helping any other verb. And besides this verb is independently used in this sentence. That's why it is principal verb. But the verb is, this verb is, it has no meaning in this sentence. That means this verb has discarded or has given up its own meaning, and thereafter then why it is using, why it is being used. This verb is being used to help tense, to help to form tense. This verb is used here to form present continuous tense only. That means this verb is helping this verb, and besides this, this verb is used for only helping purpose. That's why this verb is called helping verb or auxiliary verb. Helping verb or auxiliary verb. Similarly, second sentence, I have done the work. Here also, done, it is principal verb. Have, it is auxiliary verb. Similarly, in sentence number 3, I can play tennis. Can, it is auxiliary verb. Play, it is principal verb or main verb. Similarly, in sentence number 4, it may rain today. May, it is auxiliary verb, and rain, it is principal verb. And now look here, is, have, they are helping to form tense. To form tense. Similarly, I do not play cricket. Do is used here to form negative. Do I play cricket? Here it is also do is used to form interrogative. Don't I play cricket? Here don't, it is used to make negative interrogative. In simple present tense, simple past tense, we can use do, does, did. And these be, have, do, these are used to form tense, voice, or to make negative, to make interrogative, to make negative interrogative, and sometimes to give emphasis in a sentence. So these are primary auxiliary verbs. But here is, have, they are primary auxiliary verbs. But can, may, they are expressing a particular mode or manner in which an action is done. Here can is expressing I can play tennis. That means can is expressing ability. It may rain today. May, it is expressing possibility. So these are modal auxiliary verbs. That means is, have, they are primary auxiliary verbs, and may, can, these are modal auxiliary verbs. In this way we can classify the verbs. Now in my second class, in my next class, I will give all the uses of different type of modal auxiliary verbs. Okay.